Welcome to the new episode 9 season 3 drama series Breaking Bad. What happens when greed becomes bigger than fear? Walter White now has everything he once dreamed of. Money, power and respect for dangerous people, but to Jesse Pinkman, the empire is starting to feel like a prison. This evening, the degree of allegiance has started to decrease. Every dish at Las Polas Hermanos is prepared with love, custom, and family values. The song abruptly stops being good. But one of the largest narcotics operations in the Southwest lies beneath the cheerful mascot and crispy chicken. Jesse is preparing meth with Walter. There's a loud hum coming from the machinery. The vials for crystals are filled with blue meth. Jesse. Yes. We are making way more than the quota. Walter. Stick to the formula. The operation is going just fine, just fine. Jesse looked at the extra meth after each batch. Jesse. What if we put some extra stuff aside? Walter closed the idea immediately. Walter. We are already being paid a very good salary. But Jesse is no longer content. Hospital room. Hank is recovering from this brutal attack lying in bed. Mari sits next to him, exhausted. Doctors explain medical expenses and physical therapy costs. There must be some other way, such a way. But the bills keep getting higher and higher. Skylar is studying the medical documents while Walter looks at him wildly. Skylar. How much money do you really have? Walter demurs. Then he finally admits that he has enough money to pay for everything. Skylar became aware of the fact. Walter's drug money may be the only thing that keeps the family alive. But how can they explain it? Then, all of a sudden, it became clear. He gets an idea. Skylar. What if it came from gambling? Walter looked at him uncertainly. Jesse meets Badger and Skinny Pet. Jesse secretly recruits his old friends to sell meth stolen from the lab. Jesse. We go a little bit off the top. No one notices that. At first, this project seems easy money. But the risk immediately increases. One mistake can kill them all. Gus spoke to Walter calmly. Gus, I understand your concern for Jesse. Walter is surprised. For the first time, Gus shows respect towards her. But there is also a warning under those calm words. Be in line. Saul Goodman introduces Jesse to a nail salon. Saul. From the outside? Nail salon inside? Money laundering. This is a huge problem. Jesse walks in a strange way at small business. He's been struck by how deep this criminal world is really going. Jesse wanted freedom, but now she has become exactly what he feared. Jesse attends rehab again. People talk about addiction and regret. For a moment, Jesse opens up emotionally. Jesse. I think that I have never really understood myself. The room fell silent. It's not just about drugs anymore. It's about identity. Skylar coaches Walter on their fake gambling story. Skylar. You succeeded by counting cards. Walter. I don't know anything about gambling. Skylar. Then learn. They practice on every detail just like criminals preparing for interrogation. Because one wrong answer can expose everything. Walter tells Mary and Hank that he made money gambling. Mary was stunned. Hank laughs painfully from his wheelchair. But Skylar performs perfectly. Every lie seems believable. And with the slowness, the family accepts this story. The final scene, Jesse looks at the money. The dark music is getting louder. Jesse sits alone, staring at piles of cash. Instead of happiness, he looks blank. Walter White is building an empire, but Jesse Pinkman is tearing himself to pieces. And soon, their partnership will explode. Subscribe to M.
The Empire is rising. Secrets, betrayal, transformation.